Hey guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add TXT record in Wix. So let's go to Wix dashboard first. So after go to Wix dashboard, you have to click on your profile icon, which is top right corner. Then you can see here account settings. Click on account settings. Now you'll find here domains. Just click on domains. After click on domains, you will see an interface like this. Now you have to click on this three dot. Then you have to click on this manage DNS records. After click on this, you'll find this interface. Now you have to scroll down. Now you can see the option here TXT text. Okay, so you can see here text record and you have to click on add record. After that you can add your. So this is how you can add text record in Wix. Guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.